In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn ads for lead generation in 2026. So first of all, LinkedIn ads will work for you if you're planning to do some B2B services or maybe some high tickets offers, some SaaS service as software, maybe agencies, maybe your coaches or recruiters, because LinkedIn ads are actually expensive. They are not cheap. If your budget is under $20 to $30 a day, results will be limited. So you'll have to keep that in mind. Now, as example, open any browser that you want, type LinkedIn ads or business.linkedin.com, and you'll be taken to this tab. From here, if you go and click on create ad at the top left or at the middle, they will take you to log in into an account. For me, I'm just going to log in using my Google account, which is the quickest way for me. Now, as example, they will create for you an ad account to create some ads. Here you can link a specific page if you want to. And as you can see, it is basically required. If you don't have a page, you will have to go and click on create a new page. They will be taking you here and you will have to go and create your page. So for me, I'm just going to create here a page and yeah, okay, let me just add the next. And do I have to add the logo? Okay, industry. I'm just going to do like, if I find that's good. So if I didn't find this, so you need to check this option that's verified that you're an authorized representative of your organization. So okay, I'm just going to do random like industry. Like let me just do here video, yeah, whatever, video media, and click on create page. Okay, it seems like I have to add these. So I'm just going to add some random stuff for you. Make sure to add accurate stuff because your page can be taken down and the ad wouldn't work and it wouldn't matter. But normally if you're trying to create an ad, you'll probably have a page. So yeah, you probably wouldn't have that problem. So from here, as you can see, I'm just going to select my page. Check this option that you agree to the ads agreement and advertisement guidelines. Make sure to read that before continuing. So then go and click on continue and you'll have to start by creating your campaign, as simple as that. So here's an example. You'll need to enable the two-factor authentication before doing so. If you don't have it yet, make sure to do that. So as you can see here, they're asking me for a code that they sent me right here. So I'm just going to that code, copying it, come back here, submit, and now I can choose phone number as a two-factor authentication or authenticator app. For me, I'm just going to choose the app. It's the easiest way. And of course, I'm going to open my phone and I'm going to any authenticator app that I have. And here, of course, we'll have to enter a password. So let me just go and do so. I don't know if they will accept that password. Yeah, it's good to go. So now I'm just going to the authenticator app and I'm going to scan that QR code using my phone. So once I do so, I'll just go here and click on continue. And the authenticator app will give me a code. All I need to do is just go and enter that code. Remember that this code will keep changing every 20 seconds, so it doesn't matter if I show it here or not. As you can see, now it's enabled and I should be good to go. If I come here and refresh the page, it should be good. Yeah, we can start now running our campaign. So as we said in the beginning of this video, we would like to use LinkedIn ads for lead generation. So you would like to choose website visits, website conversions if you want to, but for us, we want lead generation. Of course, you'll be able from here to see all objectives if you want awareness, consideration, or conversion, totally up to you. Once you click on next, here you'll be able to choose whether you want it to be classic or accelerate. And basically, the difference accelerate will be simplify campaign setup by using AI to draft a campaign with optimized creatives, bidding, and placement targets, and dynamically adjust to reach the right audience. And on classic or advanced advertising needs, classic campaign supports all objectives ad formats and setting use auto-targeting or build an audience with precise targeting. So just go here and click on next with classic. You can choose the other option if it suits you more. Here, of course, you can change the campaign name to whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to do test like a campaign. For you, of course, as I said, you can keep it as it is or do whatever suits you. So what are you marketing? Provide a name and source URL, and we'll analyze them to optimize your audience. If you want to, if you don't want to, you can go and skip that option. of course, it's better to add it so for better optimization. And here you can use auto targeting to maximize the results, or you can choose the right audience that you want. Of course, if you click dismiss, you'll find the auto targeting at the top right, and depending on the information that you choose, they will target a specific audience. If you don't have a specific audience in mind who can benefit from what you're going to do, you can use that. But normally you should have a right idea or a good idea about the targeted audience before even trying to launch any ad, and you don't have to use that. Of course, it's up to you if you want to use it. And from here, normally you can choose if you don't want to use the auto targeting, you can choose the target audience location, age, a lot of other stuff that you'll be able to choose from here. Of course, if you want to choose it, just go and choose that. But if you want to choose that, you'll need a source URL is needed so they can identify what's going on into that URL, and they will identify if it's the target audience, this is good or not. They can change it and stuff like that. For the ad format, you can choose whether it's a single image, carousel image, video, documents, conversation, message, or article, and use a letter. So whatever suits you or whatever works for you, you can choose it from here. Here you have some URL tracking parameters. If you have a campaign tracking parameter, you can go and enter it right here. You can even add an account level parameter if you have that. And here for the placement, as you can see, show your ads to the right people and the right places. So we will optimize delivery of your ads across all available placements based on where we estimate you will get most leads. So LinkedIn will not be able to remove it, but you can add LinkedIn, or it seems like this one is removed as well. Normally you can check that as well, but it's fine. LinkedIn is already enough because we want anyway to do that in LinkedIn. And here where you can set your budget. Here where basically you can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget, or you can set both daily and lifetime. So for example, I want something daily and I don't want to exceed this at all. So it's totally up to you here to choose whatever you want. You can run the campaign every day, or you can set a start and end date if you choose daily. If you choose lifetime, as example, you can choose where to start and where to finish depending on the lifetime budget. And of course, here as we said before, you can choose to do them both. So for the bidding, as you can see, you will be able to choose two bidding strategies: whether maximum delivery, which is get the most results possible with the full budget, or cost cap, which is get as many results as possible while staying under your desired maximum cost per result. So if the money is not a problem for you, if you have like a wide or a big budget, this maximum delivery is the best. But if you are on a low budget, a cost cap is the greatest thing. So here, once you fill up all those informations, you can go here and click on next, basically. And yeah, let's just go here. Basically here, where you will be able to start creating your ad. You click on create an ad and start. Just an example ad with AI will start from blank ad. And basically here, where you can create your ad. So add the title, add the image, all the information is about your ad. And once you're finished, you can click on save ads. Of course, at the right, you'll be able to see a preview of the ad that you just created. You'll find this on desktop and mobile. How does it look in both like surfaces? And you should be good to go. Once you click on save ad, you'll just be prompt to pay, and there you go. You just created yourself a campaign, or you just used LinkedIn ads for lead generation, and ads will start running until the end date or until it's exceeded your budget. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.